What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Sage back with another YouTube video. And for those who don't know, I am a mobile massage therapist in Atlanta, Georgia, but this video was taken in British Virgin Islands. So today, one of my clients goes to get up off of my mobile massage table when the support wire underneath snaps. The small one here, that should be in that space. And here is a long portion of the cord, but this is the one that actually snapped on my bed. This is the first time I've ever had a cord snap on my bed, and I couldn't find any resources on how to fix it anywhere online. So I took to Home Depot and I figured it out myself. For this project, I use an EVERBILT 3/16 inch flush cable. I got my own cable 2 feet long, the same wire outside plastic as the original on my bed. You're gonna need a screwdriver, some pliers, and you want to keep the original cord that snapped because it's going to help you support this cable here. And I actually bent that cable with the pliers. It's kind of hard to bend it, but you're going to use that piece to secure it onto the nail. So this is how you're going to put your cable clamp on your cord. After you squeeze the cord to get it clamped down with the pliers, you're going to unscrew the 2 screws on top of the cable clamp and to get it open so you can then slide the cable clamp right on it. And it might give you a little hard time. You see I'm having to push it back inside and just adjust it as many times as you need to until you get it inside the cable clamp good, and then screw it back down right on top. Now that we've rigged our cord, you want to unscrew this nail from here, and you will see that this piece was on there before I unscrew it, just like this side, but it snapped. So I use pliers to get it out, and then once you have it down to a certain point, you can use your fingers, which I felt like was easy because it does take a little time to get the whole screw off of the bed. And you want to do this as well to the other side. Unscrew that piece off as well because you're going to replace it. Now that you have your nail off, you're going to take whatever was the shortest piece of the snap cord and just slide it right onto the nail. And after that, we're going to take our rigged cable and place that right on top. And you see how that broken piece is securing it a little bit more so it doesn't slide off. So you screw the nail back in there with those 2 pieces put on together, and this is what it should look like. Use the pliers to tighten the bolt as tight as possible so it can be very secure, and do the same to the cable clamp. You see I pushed it up as far as it can go, and then I'm going back in to tighten it with the screwdriver. So now it's time to check our measurements. We got a 2-foot cable, but we are going to have to bend that cable to make sure it matches the bottom piece's length as closely as possible. Now that we measured the other side, we can apply our other cable clamp the same way that we did the last side, leaving a little room to slip it on the nail. And screw it in really tight. The tighter, the more secure the bed will be. Now that we've secured our cable clamp and our measurements are correct, slide the cable loop onto the bolt and get the long cable and then place it on there because this is what's going to connect the bed pieces together. So the long cord there. Now you want to put the bolt under the bottom and screw it in with the screwdriver until it's tight on top. And then you should be good. And of course I had to do a test just to make sure it was safe for clients. So I flip the bed and I lay on it a little bit just to make sure it was comfortable. And I honestly feel that the cord that I used, since it was a little thicker than my original ones, really secured the bed more than it was before. I'm so proud of this, and it's not hard, and it didn't take too long at all. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.